Welcome once again to my channel. SARS Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscribers, God richly bless you for always being with me. Please, those stopping by for the very first time, guys, you are welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. This is one of my products. Yes, a SAR Carrot Whitening Soap. This soap can give you that yellowish tone. Yes, it whitens the skin very well, but you will receive the yellow tone at the end of this product by using it. Okay, guys, so why don't you subscribe? Also take my number or pick my number and call me or WhatsApp me. It is simple to do it. I'll show you how I did it. Okay, guys, yes, by today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own green veins oil. A lot of us are suffering from green veins, so today I'm going to show you a green veins oil. But guys, let me introduce you to this banger. It's very good. It whitens the skin. 2 weeks is assured. Yes, 2 weeks result is assured. Trust me and take my number or pick my number, WhatsApp me or call me. I'll pick it myself and I'll show you how to use it, and you come back and give me a testimony. Look at it. It look like jollof, but please, it's not jollof. Yes, it's soap. It whitens the skin, giving the skin a glowing effect, at the same time whitening it. Getting 2 to 3 shades is assured with this product. So what are you waiting for? You can use this soap with just your glow oil. Trust me and buy some from us. Yes, we are there always. Okay, guys. Yes, this soap is a banger. This soap is lifesaver. So what are you waiting for? Guys, let me show you what we are going to make for today. Yes, I'm going to show you how to do your own green veins oil. To clear it off, it is simple to do it and you can get some. Yes, you can also order some from us. It is very good. But please, first thing first, get a clean sanitized bowl, a clean cup, or a clean bottle. After getting all this one, this is my first ingredient, crude kenako. Yes, for crude kenako, you are going to scoop in only 1 tablespoon. Only 1 tablespoon of your crude kenako. Crude kenako is very good for green veins, blue veins, all the veins in our skin. Yes, if you are having a green veins on your skin, try to add in crude kenako. Yes, better say it just changes the color of your lotion, but it works. It's very effective. It works marvelously. It works on the skincare product. It's very good. Adding your crude kenako to your production whenever you are making a skincare product. You can add to your soap, you can add to your lotion, you can add to your oil. So please, for crude kenako, we'll be adding in only 1 tablespoon of our crude kenako into our container. Then you add in your Shenic Perfect Leg. Shenic Perfect Leg comes in 2. We have the stage 1 and we have the stage 2. Please, we'll be needing only 1. If you get the stage 1, it is very good. If you get the stage 2, it is also very good. But please, get 1 of it. And scoop in 2 tablespoons of your Shenic Perfect Leg. Shenic Perfect Leg is also very good for green veins and also stretch marks. It works very good. So for Shenic Perfect Leg, we'll be needing 2 tablespoons of it. 2 tablespoons. After getting your Shenic Perfect Leg, our next ingredient will be our vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil comes in capsule and also the pure vitamin E oil. That is the tocopherol. Yes, whenever or which one that you get, it is very good. But I'm using the capsule. Please, after the capsule, we'll be needing 4 capsules. 4 capsules. You can get any vitamin E capsule of your choice. After getting that one, then you get your Bare Eclat Kenako. Bare Eclat Kenako is also one of the green veins oil. It clears it out. Using it continuously, your green veins will be fading off. If you don't like the crude kenako, you can add in the Bare Eclat Kenako into your lotion and also your oil. It's very good. Guys, I'm telling you the truth. For Bare Eclat Kenako, we'll be needing 2 tablespoons of our Bare Eclat Kenako. Then you add to the oil again. Our next ingredient will be our lemongrass oil. Yes, guys, trust me. This is the main ingredient in this production. Lemongrass oil is very good for green veins. It works marvelously for the skin. So for lemongrass oil, we'll be scooping in 6 tablespoons of it. Then you add to the oil. After that, then you add in your frankincense oil. This is our last ingredient. All these ingredients work marvelously for the skin. So what are you waiting for? For frankincense oil, we'll be needing 1 teaspoon. Guys, please, 1 teaspoon. Yes, combine all these ingredients together. All these ingredients that I have mentioned earlier. Combine it together. After combining it, then you shake it up and you use it morning and night. Morning and night for 1 week. You see a result. Yes, you see a very good result. Trust me. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell. Please like, share and comment. I love you guys. Please see you in my next video. Bye bye.